In this video, I upgrade my Aero 17's RAM from 16 gigabytes to 32 gigabytes by installing PNY's XLR8 gaming RAM, which can be ran at 3200 megahertz if overclocked. You can purchase one of these bad boys on Best Buy's website for about 115 bucks. For the upgrade, I used an anti-static mat and wristband and a number 666 Torx screw. Before purchasing a RAM stick, I recommend you check your computer's RAM specifications by using CPU ID. But the whole purpose of this video is to show that PNY's XLR8 RAM stick is compatible with the Aero 17 KC.